fluffed it. Someone's gone too fast and fluffed it.
Oh dear.
And the truck is denying it. Jesus Christ, mate!
Every question.
Well, you know, if I would say, Kevin, it's one thing. For some politicians of any.
What a knobhead! Look at these two.
People you're talking about.
Yeah, that DPD driver just flips off the Range Rover driver, and me.
Detailed forensic interview. And
What a dickhead!
What's so interesting tomorrow is that the MPs.
What's he doing now?
But the fact that
Oh, brake check time.
It's not over in 6 minutes means that there is no opportunity. Not just. I think that's.
Oh, he's going back again. What a bunch of idiots! Let it go. It don't matter. Stupid.
Jesus Christ.
What a tool. In knobhead. Sure. Don't do it. Oh. Ta-da.
Sydney AFC 68031.
Da-da, da-da.
The B6539, Corporation Street.
Solve social care once and for all. The conditions are the right.
So you went from the left lane to turn right? I think you're in the wrong lane there, darling. What a prick. Oh yeah, you know what that is.
What?
That.
Yep. Just go. Is it flat?
Yep.
Which one?
That front there, from Cloudmaker.
Well, quite an RAC then.
Nice.
Pull into this car park if you can.
Yeah, that's what
Go on, yeah, you can go. I'll sit in the middle of you.
No, it does a bit. No, it takes a bit longer than that, but. What the? Right, yes, you're not meant to do that, boyo. Now you've left me trapped. It clearly said turn right. And now he stopped on the box junction. Oh.
do about that? Mike says, why don't I jump the lights in my car when there's not much traffic? Well, I know, see, you'd be done for it, but cyclists wouldn't. You know why?
Well
You
done,
can't
mate.
identify them.
You want to wait behind one
You know,
van.
with you've got a number plate.
Just keep doing. Ooh. Oh, that's why he couldn't go anywhere. Some Lazik's arse is sticking out. What a really crap place to park. Something's burning on the over yonder. Look at that on the skyline.
Yeah, it is.
Shit, what the is that coming up in flames there? Yeah, look at that fire. Woo!
Something seriously big's gone up. Jesus. That... Whoa, that's a university, I think. Shit. That's not good. That's bad. That's very bad.
Needing it. How much room do you want?
Bike, this Focus driver, I identify as a push bike.
Lotus. See ya!
When we go around.
And what more do you want?
Well, yeah, precisely.
Get hard from one, you should be right for it. Nice old car. Hey? Well, nice old car.
Old Golf there. Cool. Golf. Ah, interesting MX-5.
And that is why you keep a bike or a couple of bike lengths between you and the car in front. Oh, f me.